If you think a roadmap is just a list to go through, you are completely wrong. It's your strategic guide that connects you with real-world users and builds a customer-driven business. With FluentRoadmap, you get exactly that and more. You can get feature requests straight from your audience, let them upvote the best ideas, and turn feedback into features your customer will actually love. The best part, it comes free with FluentBoards PRO, so you don't have to spend extra to get real insights from your users. This module is all about setting up a roadmap that can help you build a customer-centric approach, whether you're an agency owner, product manager, or even solopreneur. So let's start from the FluentBoards dashboard. This is an extremely helpful feature that is hidden in the settings. Now moving into the features and module, I can easily spot it in the recommended plugins and add-ons, and FluentRoadmap installation only requires a tap. So right after completing the process, I can instantly see a dedicated roadmap panel under the settings menu. Let's see what I have there. These handy buttons and checkboxes are designed to make collecting feedback from your users and community members. All of them are already enabled by default, so I'm good to go right away. But let me break down shortly what I can achieve with them. The first one allows people to submit their own ideas, which is pretty much the heart of having a roadmap in the first place. There's also a little checkbox that decides whether only logged in users can submit or if anyone can join in the drill. If you are running Flint CRM alongside, the next one is for you. Those who submit ideas can automatically be added to the CRM contact list with the right tags and segments. Just tick the box, pick the CRM tags and list, and it's good to go. Next, there's the comment option. This one's great because when someone shares an idea, others might want to share their thoughts with questions or suggestions. Turning this on keeps the conversation going, and I have kept it on so only logged in users can leave comments. Then I have got the upvote system, my personal favorite. It's basically my crowd-powered priority list that shows which ideas are getting the most love from my users. And like the others, I have also kept it enabled and limited to logged in users. Finally, there's a spot to customize the message to display to users who need to log in before submitting a vote, commenting, and adding new ideas. So I'll keep it unchanged. Everything looks good here. So I'll hit save and lock in my changes. Okay, the installation is complete and all settings are ready. So now it's time to dive into creating my first roadmap with FluentRoadmap. If you are following this course from the beginning, you will love the similarities between creating a project board and roadmap. And if you are new to this, the ease it offers will definitely impress you. Whether you open the dashboard or the board section, both come with the option to create a roadmap. Now, I have two options to pick from. The default one is for creating a project management board, and switching to the public roadmap gives me options to create a roadmap according to my requirements. So now let's name our roadmap, just write a description and hit save to move forward. Wow, the roadmap is up. FluentRoadmap comes with plenty of customization options, giving full flexibility to personalize it perfectly for your workflow. But instead of staring at a blank canvas, wouldn't it be more fun to see a roadmap already filled with a real client feedback? That's why I have prepared one loaded with real client feedback, and it helps us clearly understand how personalization works within the roadmap. Afterward, we'll return to this fresh roadmap and continue the setup process. So let's jump in. Here, depending on requirements, I can rename any stage or add additional ones with just one click. So giving complete control over how my projects flow. But what really makes things interesting is the security level FluentRoadmap provides. If you look closely at the top, you'll see that each stage comes with its own privacy settings. The first one is for admin only, while the other one is available for all. It's very obvious there might be some questions in your mind. Why is that? So I'll answer that later in that video, so you have to stay tuned for that. For now, let's explore the customization features for you. Tapping into the gear icon, unlock all the handy stage actions that I can't unnotice. First is the copy stage. At any point, if I ever need to create a replica of any stage, just a click on the option is all I need. And the option to change the status from open to closed comes next. Besides, the default stage order may not fit your needs, which is why the reordering allows you to set your preferred stage perfectly. So the moment feedback started to pile up, the sorting made it easier to filter the way you need to see the tasks. If you ever want to move all tasks from one stage to another, You don't need to waste time on drag and drop. Just go for it, pick the stage, and done. It's as simple as it looks. And to ensure similarity toward the task completion, I can create a template and reuse it anytime to save time and avoid repetition. But if you want to make any stage pop with the additional colors, the stage background is ready at your call. And to ensure each submitted feedback is evaluated with full attention, I can set a default assignee for the stage. So this ensures that whatever a task is added, someone from my end is there to respond to that. And the archive option is there for you to remove unnecessary requests or completed ideas from the board. In case you don't make any stage from public or limited to admins, it's also at your fingertips. With all the customization features explored, it's time to revisit the roadmap we built earlier and bring it to life. And here it is. To unlock the full potential, let's make it live for the people. And FluentBoards offers a superior way compared to its competitors. You don't need to switch between platforms. Click on the I button and I can easily see all the info I have added at the beginning on one side. And on the opposite side, I have options to share my roadmap. Here I will simply choose the page where I want the roadmap to be embedded and copy the shortcode with just a click. Now I need to paste this code into the page to complete the process. Here's a tick box that can help notify all the stakeholders when the stage is changed for the submitted feedback. So let's tick it, and another super helpful feature roadmap report is also there. I can access it anytime without switching between settings. Among the features, I almost forget about pasting the shortcode into the page I picked, so let's do it. I'll open the page, then add a shortcode action block, provide the code, and save the changes. Now it's time to publish the page and check if everything's working perfectly. And there it is, the roadmap is live. Let's see how it pulls everyone together right from the start of my project or product journey. Whenever someone has an idea or feedback that can shape my business better, they can submit it directly to the roadmap. But first they need to sign up or log into the roadmap for that. Right away they can share the idea in the roadmap effortlessly. So once they submit the idea, it will be sent instantly to the stage, which is dedicated to the admins only. And when the admin moved this to another stage that is set in public, the scenarios changed. Now people from the front end can see this, add comments if they feel like, and also upvote the submitted idea that they think is perfect for making this product top-notch. This way, you align your team and your users from the very beginning, ensuring every project is built with customer insight at its core. And now that you know how exactly you can make FluentRoadmap work, it's your chance to use the full potential of FluentRoadmap in project management. And if you'd like to create tasks automatically without coding or managing servers, don't miss the next module on incoming webhooks. Grab FluentBoards now and start managing projects smarter today.